When you walk through Happy Park during sunny or rainy days, don't you think that the strong sunlight and heavy rain is quite annoying? Sometimes open-air events have to be cancelled due to bad weather conditions. All these problems inspired us to design a pavilion. However, a fully covered park may make people feel tense, and we came up with an idea, a foldable cover. So we got inspiration from MIMOSE pudica. The compound leaves of the plant fold inward and droop when shaken or touched. The design of the pavilion mimics the form and process of MIMOSE pudica. It will spread like an umbrella if there is strong sunlight or heavy rain. When it's not in use, the leaves will fold toward the ribs. Then, the ribs will rotate by 90 degrees and form a water drop-shaped wind turbine automatically to reduce visual pressure. Multiple pavilions will be arranged like trees in a forest so as to give an organic image. Now let's take a close-up view of a compound leaf. We can see that a leaf is formed by 4 compressed layers. The first one is a waterproof glass, and there's an OLCD screen layer underneath. The next layer consists of solar panels made by smart glass. Also, there's a bottom layer with electric wire providing light. Different layers will be made by various smart materials for a range of functions. There are several features in this magic panel. This Kinetic facility can provide a cover to the whole square when it's raining and when the sunlight is fierce and burning. We will apply special materials on the cover to block the heat and UV light. It will open and cover the whole square when the temperature rises to a certain level, and it can be controlled manually. Since we have installed the OLCD screen inside, when it's folded, it will display some stationary advertisements and information on the transparent cover. When it's open, the whole cover can become a large-scale projector to play some clips. Besides, it can be used as an anemometer to redirect the wind and airflow for better ventilation. When the winds pass through, the leaves create vibration which can be used to generate a small amount of electricity. The 4 compressed layers consisting the leaves blend together to meet the features mentioned above. Among all, the main contributor to sustainability is the smart glass. It changes back and forth from transparent to translucent according to the presence of heat or light. This is why the glass is also known as a switchable glass. In the status of blackout, smart glass blocks almost 99.4% of UV light. This effectively resolves the problem of strong sunlight while passing through the Happy Park. In light of this property, the temperature in this open area can be affected in a certain extent by adjusting the transmittance of smart glass. This sustainable design overcomes the negative climate conditions by minimizing the electricity and energy cost without disturbing the environment.